Chapter 4. Multiplication. Get ready. The number which is to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number by which a given number is multiplied is called the multiplier. The result of a multiplication sum is called the product. In the previous class, you have already learned the method of multiplication of a two-digit number by a one-digit number by expanding the two-digit number. In this chapter, we learn to multiply three-digit and four-digit numbers by one-digit and two-digit and three-digit numbers. Multiplication by expanded notation method. Example: multiply 213 by 3. Solution: 213 times 3 equals 200 plus 10 plus 3 times 3 equals 200 times 3 plus 10 times 3 plus 3 times 3 equals 600 plus 30 plus 9 equals 639. Example: multiply 2203 by 2. Solution: 2203 times 2 equals 2000 plus 200 plus 0 plus 3 times 2 equals 2000 times 2 plus 200 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 3 times 2 equals 4000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 6 equals 4406. Keep in mind, multiplication by expanded notation method is also called row method. Properties of multiplication. 1. Order property. The product of two numbers does not change when we change the order of the numbers. For example, 25 times 13 equals 325 and 13 times 25 equals 325. Therefore, 25 times 13 equals 13 times 25. Similarly, 242 times 26 equals 6292 equals 26 times 242. Therefore, 242 times 26 equals 26 times 242. 2. Grouping of numbers. The product of three numbers does not change when we change the grouping of the numbers. For example, 24 times 38 times 16 equals 24 times 608 equals 14,592. 24 times 38 times 16 equals 912 times 16 equals 14,592. Therefore, 24 times 38 times 16 equals 24 times 38 times 16. 3. Multiplying by 1. The product of a number by 1 is the number itself. For example, 143 times 1 equals 143. 1 times 2535 equals 2535. 4. Multiplying by 0. The product of a number by 0 is always 0. For example, 563 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 6984 equals 0. 0 times 29,813 equals 0. Estimation of product. When we give an approximate answer close to the exact answer without doing any written computation, we are estimating. When we estimate, we use numbers close to the original numbers so that we can mentally work out on solutions. Example: estimate the product of 33 and 44. Solution: to estimate the product of 33 and 44, round off both the numbers to the nearest 10 and then multiply. 33 is rounded off to 30. 44 is rounded off to 40. The estimated product of 30 and 40 is 1200. Example: Estimate the product of 538 and 8. Solution. Rounding off 538 to the nearest hundreds. 538 nearest hundreds is 500. Estimated the product of 538 and 8 as 500 times 8 equals 4000. Example. Estimate the product of 424 and 665 by rounding off the number to the nearest hundred. Solution. The number to the nearest hundreds of 424 is 400. The number to the nearest hundreds of 665 is 700. The estimated product of 424 and 665 is 400 times 700 equals 2,80,000. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Example. Find the product of 2,365 and 4. Solution. Start multiplying ones place. 5 times 4 equals 20. Write 0 in the ones place in the answer. Carry over 2 to the tens column. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 plus 2, carried over, equals 26. Write 6 in the tens place in the answer. Carry over 2 to the hundreds column. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 2, carried over, equals 14. Write 4 in the hundreds place in the answer. Carry over 1 to the thousands column. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1, carried over, equals 9. Write 9 in the thousands place. Example. Multiply 6047 and 8 by expanded notation method. Solution. 6047 times 8 equals 6000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 7 times 8 equals 6000 times 8 plus 0 times 8 plus 40 times 8 plus 7 times 8 equals 48,000 plus 0 plus 320 plus 56 equals 48,376. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Example. Find the product of 2,365 and 4. Solution. 3,278 times 26. Multiply by 6 ones. 3,278 times 6 ones equals 19,668 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the line. Multiply by 2 tens. 3,278 times 2 tens equals 6,556 tens equals 65,560 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the first product. Add the two products. 19,668 plus 65,560 equals 85,228. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. To multiply a given number by 10, write a 0 in ones place and multiply the other numbers. By 100, we write 2 zeros at the end, that is in the tens and ones places, and move the digits of the number to be multiplied to the left. By 1000, we multiply the number and put 3 zeros on the right of the product. By 10,000, put 4 zeros on the right of the given number. By 1 lakh, put 5 zeros on the right of the given number. It is clear from the above discussion that, if the number which is to be multiplied with a given number is composed of 1 and zeros at other places like 1000, 10,000 etc., we just add as many zeros on the right of the given number as are given in the number by which we are multiplying. Multiplication by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. To multiply a given number by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on respectively and put a 0 to the right of the product. Examples. Multiply A. 242 times 20. Solutions. 242 times 20 equals 242 times 2 times 10 equals 484 times 10 equals 4840. B. 1042 times 30. Solutions. 1042 times 30 equals 1042 times 3 times 10 equals 3126 times 10 equals 31260. C. 4449 times 60. Solutions. 4449 times 60 equals 4449 times 6 times 10 equals 26,694 times 10 equals 2,66,940. Multiplication by a three-digit number. Example. Multiply 437 by 192. Solution. 437 times 192. Multiply by 2 ones. 437 times 2 ones equals 874 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the line. Multiply by 9 tens. 437 times 9 tens equals 3933 tens equals 39,330 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the first product. Multiply by 100. 437 times 100 equals 437 hundreds equals 43,700 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the second product. Add the three products. 874 plus 39,330 plus 43,700 equals 83,904. Example. Multiply 917 by 153. Solution. 917 times 153. Multiply by 3 ones. 917 times 3 ones equals 2,754 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the line. Multiply by 5 tens. 917 times 5 tens equals 4,585 tens equals 45,850 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the first product. Multiply by 100. 917 times 100 equals 917 hundreds equals 91,700 ones. Write this product in the respective columns under the second product. Add the three products. 2,754 plus 45,850 plus 91,700 equals 1,40,301. Thus, 917 times 153 equals 1,40,301. Multiplication by 200, 300, 400, 500, and so on. Multiplication of a number by 100 means movement of the digits of the number by 2 places to the left on the place value table. Example. Find the product. A. 456 times 200. Solution. 456 times 200 equals 456 times 2 times 100 equals 912 times 100 equals 91,200. Thus, 456 times 200 equals 91,200. B. 519 times 600. Solution. 519 times 600 equals 519 times 6 times 100 equals 3114 times 100 equals 3,11,400. Thus, 519 times 600 equals 3,11,400. Patterns in multiplication. As in addition and subtraction, number patterns can also be studied in multiplication. A. 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 1 equals 1 2 1, 1 times 1 equals 1 2 3 2 1, 1 times 1 equals 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, 1 times 1 equals 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. B. 9 times 0 plus 1 equals 10. 9 times 1 plus 2 equals 11. 9 times 2 plus 3 equals 21. 9 times 3 plus 4 equals 31. 9 times 4 plus 5 equals 41. 9 times 5 plus 6 equals 51. 9 times 6 plus 7 equals 61. Multiplication with money. Example. Multiply rupees 12.50 by 3. Solution. Step 1. Multiply as usual. 1250 times 3 equals 3750. Step 2. Put a point after two places from the right in the product. 3750 will become 37.50. Therefore, product of rupees 12.50 and 3 is rupees 37.50. Example. If the cost of a toy car is rupees 25.75. Find the cost of 27 such toy cars. Solution. Cost of one toy car equals rupees 25.75. Cost of 27 toy cars equals rupees 25.75 times 27. Multiply as usual. 2575 times 27. Multiply by 7 ones. 2575 times 7 ones equals 18,025 ones. Multiply by 2 tens. 2575 times 2 tens equals 5150 tens. 5150 tens equals 5150 times 10 ones equals 51,500. Add 18,025 and 51,500. 18,025 plus 51,500 equals 69,525. Put a point after two places from the right in the product. 69,525 will become 695.25. Therefore, cost of 27 toy cars is rupees 695.25. Tricky maths. The cost of each item is given. 1. One doll cost rupees 64.95. What will be the cost of 5 such dolls? 2. One robot cost rupees 246.92. What will be the cost of 8 such robots? 3. One train cost rupees 114.75. What will be the cost of 6 such toy trains? Word problems. Example. One classroom has 48 chairs. How many chairs will 27 classrooms have? Solution. Number of chairs in one classroom equals 48. Number of classrooms equals 27. Therefore, total number of chairs equals 48 times 27. Multiply by 7 ones. 48 times 7 ones equals 336 ones. Multiply by 2 tens. 48 times 2 tens equals 96 tens equals 960 ones. Add 336 and 960 ones. 336 plus 960 equals 1296. Therefore, the total number of chairs in 27 classrooms will be 1296. Example: a crate of Limca bottles contains 12 bottles of Limca. How many Limca bottles are there in 15 such crates? Solution: number of Limca bottles in a crate equals 12. Number of Limca bottles in 15 crates equals 12 times 15. Total number of Limca bottles equals 180. Therefore, there are 180 Limca bottles in 15 crates. Example: a sofa set costs rupees 3240.75. What will be the cost of 25 such sofa sets? Solution: cost of one sofa set equals rupees 3240.75. Cost of 25 sofa sets equals rupees 3240.75 times 25 equals rupees 81,018.75. Therefore, cost of 25 sofa sets is rupees 81,018.75.